Hello, my fluffy buttons. Today, we are gonna, oh god, I'm moving my screen. Today, we're gonna be, what am I saying? Today, we're gonna be trying to get people to trade us. So, let's put never mind, I have lots of items on my trade list already. So we're gonna go out to Jamal, and get people to trade us. Hopefully that brings me to Jamal. Thank you. Okay, let's put trade me. I have good and be fail. Bam, bam, bam. I can get attention. From here. I can get attention by dancing, right? Everyone does that. Wait, what? There's a scammer? What? There's a scammer? Well. Okay, wait, scammer. Okay. Trade me. I have good and be fair. Bam, fail. Be fair, please. Please, I'm a peasant. Please be fair. Please. I'm not a member. No one's gonna train me. Oh my god. She has so many whales. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, sorry. I'm going into the mic. She has so many longs. Oh, wait, pause. This is a failed trade. That one. Okay, guys. So I'm trying to do failed trade. It's fail. It's fail. It's fail. Just because I don't have 10 betas does not mean you have to be fair with other items. I'm gonna keep on trading this until she accepts. Being a bully. I'm gonna do laugh out loud with. It's an animal, a bird. I'm not trying to be a bully. She's just being overly rude. Like ruder than me. This is like the best. Okay, send it to her. Okay, we're good. Okay, I had to pause the video. Oh yeah, and if you guys hear me like breathe, like do that, like sniffle. Can I have this, please? I'll give you my. If they decline, it's gonna break me. Rude. I can get this, but no one's letting me have it. You know, look, I'll freaking give you this glove, and look what they're gonna do. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Yep, I caught it. I caught it. Rude. Rude, rude, rude. I'm gonna keep on trying to trade because I want a rag to put on my beautifulness. I'm beautiful, aren't I? Please, please, please. Please accept. Guys, if they don't accept, I'm gonna break. I'm gonna break my heart. Thank you much. Thank you much. I'm happy. I'm happy. I love my new look. I like that. That's really cool. They can't see me that much. I'm gonna become blue. Thank you. Oh, at least I gave you a spike. See, soft ball girl. Someone is nice. Someone is nice. See, softball girl? Someone is nice. Please trade me. I realized something since I did that. Now I don't think I can get a spike. Hopefully they bring spikes back. I gave an idea once, and I put give everyone let everyone get membership if it's their birthday, because like it's so sweet and it's awesome. Look, see, so many people have so much stuff I want. Oh, I'm not getting bullied, but it's like hurting my feeling. I haven't talked to these people in like forever, so I don't know who any of. Oh! I clicked on something and I don't know what. Oh wait, I'm breathing into it. Cool cat? Cool cat? That's my brother, wait. Cool cat. Cool girl. Oh. Who's on? Oh, it's just no one. Trading please trade? God, I haven't played this game forever. They're trying to click on my name. You mean jam me? If I have that, if have had a piano. No, I don't have a piano, but I have a lot of more stuff. No. Anyone? Who said that? I'm gonna look. Yeah, honestly, everyone's asking this girl for her mommy tail, but like, you can just get one. Get one yourself, boy. Get one your freaking self. Like, everyone, they're still on sale. Get it yourself. No one's trading me over here. I'm gonna go over here and see. Trade me. Please. Trade me, please. Please. Wolfpack, my den. I can only have 2 animals though. I'm just getting rid of her. I can't wear any of them. Not fair trade. La 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 da 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 da. We need to get a spike. Anything helps. Oh, she has a necklace. What's that? At least I'm gonna give her this. Wait, just time it real quick. I'm trying to help you. I don't want to give away that. That's like really special. I'll give you that. Hoping it makes you happy. Be happy. Be happy. I want to go here, please. Oh my god. Yes. 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 Thanks so much. Thanks so much. Oh my god, done. Bye. Yay, I have a new buddy. I'm so happy. I can put on this though. What can I wear that look cool? What can I wear? Realize it's not right. Yeah. Listen to my. Oh wait, I should be citing to end the video because it's So if you guys want to subscribe, you guys can go click that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as I always say, goodbye, my fluffy buttons. Goodbye, fluffy buttons, and yes, as I said before, subscribe.